Metric measures. Spiral learning. Knowing about different measures. Addition and subtraction of measures. Conversion of measures. We measure length, weight and capacity of different objects. The standard unit of measuring length is meter. The standard unit of measuring weight is gram. The standard unit of measuring capacity is liter. Sometimes, lower and higher units are also used like kg, kilogram, kilometer, kilometer, ml, milliliter, etc. All units of one type can be converted into lower or higher. 1000 meters equals 1 kilometer or 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters or 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. 1000 g is equal to 1 kilogram or 1 g is equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms. 1000 milliliters equals 1 liter or 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liters. The metric measures. So far, we have learned that length can be measured in centimeters, meters and kilometers. Weight can be measured in grams and kilograms. Capacity can be measured in milliliters and liters. These are some of units which are commonly used from a larger group of measurement units called metric measures. In the system of metric measures, there are many units to measure length, weight and capacity. All these units of one type can be converted into each other, since each greater unit is 10 times its previous smaller unit. Metric measures for length. We have the following: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, our greatest unit. Meter is standard unit. Decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, our lowest unit. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 into 1 millimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 into 1 centimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 10 into 1 decimeter is equal to 10 decimeters. 1 dam is equal to 10 into 1 meter is equal to 10 meters. 1 is equal to 10 into 1 dam is equal to 10 dam. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 into 1 is equal to 10 From the above, we can say that 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 cm. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 100. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 meter is equal to 1000 kilometers. Conversion of metric measures of length. To convert greater unit to lower unit, we multiply. Example 1. Convert the following into meters. A. 8 kilometers. B. 3 kilometers 400 meters. Solution. A. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 8 kilometers is equal to 8 into 1000 meters is equal to 8000 meters. B. 3 kilometers 400 meters is equal to 3 into 1000 meters plus 400 meters is equal to 3000 meters plus 400 meters is equal to 3400 meters. Example 2. Convert the following into centimeters. A. 60 meters. B. 5 meters 25 centimeters. Solution. A. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 60 meters is equal to 60 into 100 centimeters is equal to 6000 centimeters. B. 5 meters 25 centimeters is equal to 5 into 100 centimeters plus 25 centimeters is equal to 500 centimeters plus 25 centimeters is equal to 525 centimeters. Example 3. Convert the following into millimeters. A. 10 centimeters. B. 4 centimeters 6 millimeters. Solution. A. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 10 centimeters is equal to 10 into 10 millimeters is equal to 100 millimeters. B. 4 centimeters 6 millimeters is equal to 4 into 10 millimeters plus 6 millimeters is equal to 40 millimeters plus 6 millimeters is equal to 46 millimeters. To convert lower unit into greater unit, we divide and use the concepts of decimals. Example 4. Convert 50 millimeters into centimeters. Solution. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeters. 50 millimeters is equal to 50 m divided by 10 centimeters is equal to 5 centimeters. Example 5. Convert 285 centimeters into meters. Solution. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. 285 centimeters is equal to 200 centimeters plus 85 centimeters is equal to 200 by 100 meters plus 85 by 100 meters is equal to 2.85 m. Example 6. Convert 7,575 meters into kilometers. Solution. 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. 7,575 meters is equal to 7,000 meters plus 575 meters is equal to 7,000 by 1,000 kilometers plus 575 by 1,000 kilometers is equal to 7 kilometers plus 0.575 kilometer is equal to 7.575 kilometers. Addition and subtraction of lengths. To add or subtract metric units of length, we write the given measures column-wise as per their units and carry forward or borrow by conversion. Example 7. Add 26 kilometers 750 meters and 62 kilometers 405 meters. Solution. Write given measures under unit columns of kilometer and m. Add lower unit first. 750 meters plus 405 meters is equal to 1155 meters is equal to 1 kilometer 155 meters. Carry over 1 kilometer to kilometer column and add 26 plus 62 plus 1 kilometer is equal to 89 kilometer. Hence, 26 kilometers 750 meters plus 62 kilometers 405 meters is equal to 89 kilometers 155 meters. Example 8. Find the difference between 97 meters 8 centimeters and 45 meters 38 centimeters. Solution. Write the given measures under unit columns of m and cm. Subtract lower unit cm first. Borrowed from m if required. 1 meter or 100 centimeters. 1 meter is borrowed from 97 m. 1 meter or 100 centimeters plus 8 centimeters is equal to 108 centimeters. 108 centimeters minus 38 centimeters is equal to 70 centimeters. Subtract meters 96 m minus 45 meters is equal to 51 meters. Hence, 97 meters 8 centimeters minus 45 m 38 centimeters is equal to 51 meters 70 centimeters. Example 9. Solve. A. 62 kilometers 550 meters 80 centimeters plus 13 kilometers 205 meters 60 centimeters plus 4 kilometers 150 meters 10 centimeters. B. 310 meters 64 centimeters 8 millimeters minus 126 meters 36 centimeters 4 millimeters. Solution. 62 kilometers 550 meters 80 centimeters plus 13 kilometers 205 meters 60 centimeters plus 4 kilometers 150 meters 10 centimeters is equal to 79 kilometers 906 meters 50 centimeters. Answer. 79 kilometers 906 meters 50 centimeters. 310 meters 64 centimeters 8 millimeters minus 126 meters 36 centimeters 4 millimeters is equal to 184 meters 28 centimeters 4 millimeters. Answer is equal to 184 meters 28 centimeters 4 millimeters. Metric measures for weight. We have the following: kilogram, hectogram, decagram, our greatest unit. Gram is standard unit. Decigram, centigram, milligram, our lowest unit. 1 cg is equal to 10 into 1 milligram is equal to 10 milligrams. 1 dg is equal to 10 into 1 cg is equal to 10 cg. 1 g is equal to 10 into 1 dg is equal to 10 dg. 1 dag is equal to 10 into 1 g is equal to 10 g. 1 hg is equal to 10 into 1 dag is equal to 10 dag. 1 kilogram is equal to 10 into 1 hg is equal to 10 hg. From the above, we can say that 1000 milligrams is equal to 1 g. 1 milligram is equal to 1 by 1000 g. 1000 g is equal to 1 kilogram. 1 g is equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms. Conversion of metric measures of weight. To convert greater unit to lower unit, we multiply. Example 1. Convert the following into grams. A. 8 kilograms. B. 16 kilograms 250 g. Solution. A. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 g. 8 kilograms is equal to 8 into 1000 g is equal to 8000 g. B. 16 kilograms 250 g is equal to 16 into 1000 g plus 250 g is equal to 16,000 g plus 250 g is equal to 16,250 g. Example 2. Convert the following into milligrams. A. 15 g. B. 4 g 350 milligrams. Solution. A. 1 g is equal to 1000 milligrams. 15 g is equal to 15 into 1000 milligrams is equal to 15,000 milligrams. B. 4 g 350 milligrams is equal to 4 into 1000 milligrams plus 350 milligrams is equal to 4000 milligrams plus 350 milligrams is equal to 4350 milligrams. To convert lower unit to higher unit, we divide and use the concepts of decimals. Example 3. Convert the following into kilograms or kilograms and grams. A. 28,000 g. B. 4860 g. Solution. A. 1 g is equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms. 28,000 g is equal to 28,000 plus 1000 is equal to 28 kilograms. B. 4860 g is equal to 4000 g plus 860 g is equal to 4 kilograms 860 g. 4860 g is equal to 4000 g plus 860. 4000 by 1000 kilograms plus 860 by 1000 g is equal to 4 kilograms plus 0.860 kilograms is equal to 4.860 kilograms is equal to 4.86 kilograms. Example 4. Convert into grams or grams and milligrams. A. 7,000 milligrams. B. 9,500 milligrams. Solution. A. 1 milligram is equal to 1 by 1000 g. 7,000 milligrams is equal to 7,000 plus 1000 g is equal to 7 g. B. 9,500 milligrams is equal to 9,000 milligrams plus 500 milligrams. 9,500 milligrams is equal to 9,000 milligrams plus 500 milligrams is equal to 9g. 500 milligrams is equal to 9,000 by 1000 g plus 500 by 1000 g is equal to 9g plus 0.500 g is equal to 9.500 g is equal to 9.5 g. Addition and subtraction of weights. Just like addition and subtraction of lengths, we can add or subtract the measures of weights. During addition and subtraction, we can carry forward or borrow by conversion. Example 5. Add 24 kilograms 350 g and 56 kilograms 460 g kg. Solution. Write given measures under the unit columns of kg and g. Add lower unit first, 350 g plus 460 g is equal to 810 g. Add higher unit, 24 kilograms plus 56 kilograms is equal to 80 kilograms. Hence, 24 kilograms 350 g plus 56 kilograms 460 g is equal to 80 kilograms 810 g. Example 6. One packet of peanuts weighs 650 g 350 milligrams and the other weighs 532 g 420 milligrams. Find the difference in their weights. Solution. The difference in their weights is equal to 650 g 350 milligrams minus 532 g 420 milligrams is equal to 117 g 930 milligrams. Metric measures for capacity. We have the following: kiloliter, hectoliter, Decaliter, our greatest unit. Liter is standard unit. Deciliter, centiliter. Milliliter, our lowest unit. 1 cl is equal to 10 into 1 milliliter is equal to 10 milliliters. 1 dl is equal to 10 into 1 cl is equal to 10 cl. 1 liter is equal to 10 into 1 dl is equal to 10 dl. 1 dal is equal to 10 into 1 liter is equal to 10 liters. 1 hl is equal to 10 into 1 dal is equal to 10 dal. 1 kl is equal to 10 into 1 hl is equal to 10 hl. From the above, we can say that 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1000 milliliters. Conversion of metric measures of capacity. To convert greater unit to lower unit, we multiply. Example 1. Convert the following into milliliters. A. 14 liters. B. 6 liters 450 milliliters. Solution. A. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 14 liters is equal to 14 into 1000 milliliters is equal to 14,000 milliliters. B. 6 liters 450 milliliters is equal to 6 into 1000 milliliters plus 450 milliliters is equal to 6000 milliliters plus 450 milliliters is equal to 6450 milliliters. To convert lower unit into greater unit, we divide and use the concepts of decimals. Example 2. Convert the following into liters. A. 4000 milliliters. B. 12,580 milliliters. Solution. A. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000. 4000 milliliters is equal to 4000 divided by 1000 is equal to 4 liters. B. 12,580 milliliters is equal to 12,000 milliliters plus 580 milliliters is equal to 12,000 by 1000 liters plus 580 by 1000 liters is equal to 12 liters plus 0.580 liter is equal to 12.580 liters is equal to 12.58 liters. Addition and subtraction of capacities. Addition and subtraction of the measures of capacity are like that for the measures of length. During addition and subtraction, we can carry forward or borrow by conversion. Example 3. Neetu made 10 liters 650 milliliters of fruit juice and her friend Neha made 12 liters 380 milliliters of the same. How much fruit juice did they make together? Solution. They made 23 liters 30 milliliters of fruit juice together. Example 4. Find the difference in capacity of two water tanks if they can hold 2000 liters 500 milliliters and 1200 liters 950 milliliters of water each. Solution. The difference in their capacities is 799 liters 550 milliliters. Lab activity. Objective: to reinforce the concept of measuring length and weight. Materials required: political map of India, printed copies, a few copies of atlas, a weighing machine. Procedure: 1. Make groups of 5 students. To each group, give a map and an atlas. Ask them to locate any 4 cities and find the distance between them in meters and kilometers. Ask them to work together and write down these facts on the map. 2. Now, display the weighing machine in the class and show its scale of measuring weight in kilograms. 3. Ask each student to measure his weight one by one and write it down in the notebook, both in kg and g.